currently 5:30 a.m. What's today, babe? Tuesday? Tuesday the 18th. So, yeah, we're currently packing up our bags because we're gonna be gone for a couple days for my birthday. So we're gonna go to Oregon right now. I'm gonna go pick up a purse that I've been wanting. And then we'll come back to Seattle and then we'll go and check in at our, what do you even call it? Apartment, hotel, I don't know. We're just staying there for a couple days. So yeah. Should we go to Starbucks?
Yeah. You want me to bring this then? No.
You want to say hi? You're so weird. Don't forget your dress-up shoes, babe.
I know.
So we're gonna get some Starbucks. Babe, what are you gonna get?
Caramel macchiato, 2-shot.
And then I also have a birthday reward. I'm gonna claim it on my Starbucks app. You guys should download that shit. Make a Starbucks membership or whatever the hell you call that. And I guess on your birthday you get free drinks. And if you're a gold member, you get like free drinks after 125 stars, which I have already exceeded that. But I'm not a gold member yet. I just started this not too long ago. So I just got a Doppio espresso. It's one of my faves, especially when I do want to wake up. And then he got a caramel macchiato. Babe, we're here's fine.
Yeah.
Really?
What's the time? Can't get out there.
There's no cars. Did you know that?
Oh.
Wow. You're like special.
Yeah. I'm a little special.
You know.
No.
So I just picked up my bag and then I went and returned or exchanged my foundation at Sephora. Now we're on the way to Seattle. 2.5 hours of driving. So we just got to the apartment hotel and it's pretty cool. I like the kitchen. It looks like IKEA, huh? That's what it is. It's IKEA. It's really cute. Coffee pot, toaster, big ass pantry. What the fuck with an extra bed? Whoa. Damn. The little living room, dining room. Bathroom. I like this sink. Extra bedroom. Ooh. With the washer dryer. Yeah. But we are on Queen Anne. Oh, they got a little vacuum cleaner. And extra pillows, babe. What are you doing? So I got my, geez, not focusing. So I got my YSL bag and I just like how it has like a box and then like a little bag and shit like that. Did I even? Oh. Yeah, we're gonna be popping bottles. This drink is hella bomb, you guys. Try it. It's the 3 olives in the flavor cherry. Favorite vodka. So.
Where's the glasses go?
Right here in this bag. I just want to show my peeps my bag.
Okay, well, you told me to take a shot.
Check it out. It's not focusing. There it is. How beautiful is this bag? So beautiful. And then it has a chain. This is like one of the things that sold me on this bag. like it a lot. So I went to Sephora and then I returned the NARS foundation that I picked up, and I got this one. It's the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation. It's supposed to be more matte. I hope this is the final one that I freaking purchased from there. And then I picked up a bigger Laura Mercier powder, and I picked up a perfume by Chloe. It's called Love Story. It smells really good. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a shower. Get ready. These couches, or this couch, is really ugly.
Fuck.
Like, why would they choose this color?
Ugly as fuck.
Yeah, we're just drinking some of this, and then we're about to leave to go eat at Elliot's. I don't know. I don't really have a big appetite like he does. Babe! Don't touch me. I'm drinking. So I just got all dolled up, and he's dressed, and check out my outfit. Don't look at my toes. So yeah, I'm carrying my new bag, and it goes with my shirt. Super cute. And I'm wearing the new foundation. So far, so good. I like the texture. It's a matte, or it feels like my CoverGirl 3-in-1 foundation. It's full coverage. I only had to put on like one layer, which is really good. I'm impressed because the NARS All Day Luminous, whatever, I had to put on 2 coats to have a full coverage. So yeah, so far this one I like a lot. But, yeah, we're gonna take some pictures.
Before then we can't blame no one, and I ain't tryna play no one, but he can't make you famous like this.
Oh yeah, you can leave it off. But I do love the kitchen. It's so freaking cute. What?
Where's the light?
You want to leave a light on?
Yeah. I want 2 light on. We gotta close this window too.
There. I love how they have the double doors.
Fridge.
Yeah. I like the French doors.
Let's go,
What?
Let's go order a bunch of oyster from Melly.
I don't know if I showed you guys, but I picked up this ring for my birthday. I mean, I bought it last month, but shit, it was still for my birthday.
That's like a fucking month ago.
Yeah. I was gonna cash out on this ring on my birthday, but I bought it a month early. So we are at Elliot's. We just ordered oysters. Oh, you want me to record myself?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're at Jack and Oysters. Hey, babe.
Jack and oysters. Huh?
Okay, so we're at Elliot's and we just ordered 2 oysters. And then Jack and Oysters. Are you fucking kidding me? Ordered 2 platters of oyster, and then I got a salad, and he got like shrimp ravioli or some shit, some Italian shit.
What did you order?
Shrimp ravioli.
I just told you shrimp with like marinara sauce.
Oh, that's what you wanted. So we got him shrimp risotto.
What, babe?
I don't know, babe. I didn't try it yet, but it looks good. Shrimp ravioli is here. What's up? It's shrimp risotto, you guys. It's 5 large ass shrimps.
We're going to Taco Bell. Yes.
I got a salmon salad. We're going to Taco Bell?
Yeah, Taco Bell.
Oh my god. So, we're back. Babe. You're walking too fast. Oh yeah, I don't think I can record anymore. It's too much for this shit. Oh my god. Hi, good morning guys. Today is Wednesday, the 19th. So, what time is it? It's like 8 a.m. or something? Oh, it's 9:51 a.m. We're gonna go get some breakfast or something to eat. I don't know, we're gonna go get dim sum or if we're gonna go get some boiling points or some like Denny's or IHOP, whatever. So yeah, last night was really fun. The oysters were bomb. His risotto was really good.
Rice.
Was that rice?
I don't know.
I think so. I think it was like rice and some type of like
No,
sauce.
it was rice and it was something else, but the flavor. So
Yeah. Everything was good. And then I got my salad. It was really good too. So yeah.
It's a construction. Construction.
Oh, okay. So I think I'm gonna go look for some jumpsuits because yeah, look for something comfortable to walk around Seattle. Fun last night?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was hella fun.
It's pretty good. Oyster shit was on.
Oh, so he's getting a new tattoo. It's not all the way done yet, but he's getting like a mechanic arm. So I straightened my hair. I kind of like my hair straight.
Me too. But I don't like you using that deal.
Yeah, I don't want to use it too much. My hair's gonna be fried. Alright, I'm gonna Google up something to eat.
Ain't there a bunch of places where the gay people are?
Babe, be nice. Oh, the area that we're in, it's like a gay community where these people sounds like creatures. These creatures. I'm just kidding.
Hey, are we moving to Seattle?
We'll think. I don't know. I'll think about it. I mean, it seems okay, but there's like no parking.
Yeah. We just need a good.
I mean, what do you want? Like a condo or apartment like this?
Condo or apartment?
That'd be cool. We get into a condo. So we went and had breakfast. I had wonton soup, and he had pho, and we had gyoza and egg rolls. Babe, look, there's a store right here.
Oh, we should get some more munchies.
Okay. And then I got a caramel apple, and yeah, we're just gonna go get some candy. We just went to the little corner store and Walgreens. Picked up some Gatorade, a big ass jug of wine. What else did we get, babe? Cigarettes, nuts, a Red Bull, and then you broke a cigarette. That's why you put it there. Oh, we got Cheetos, noodles, and candy and pepperoni sticks. So yeah, it's really hot in here. Dennis left the heater on. So here's my apple. Oh shit. Boom. My caramel apple. So we're getting ready. Whoa, look how long my eyelashes are. So, we're done getting ready. Jeez, my eyebrows don't grow at all. I just threw on a fur scarf and it just made the outfit look like $1,000,000. Okay. Where's my phone?
Sucks for you. You park your Tesla on the street.
You got a $60,000 car. We just walked 2 blocks to get the car, and we're gonna go to the bar, have a couple drinks before we go and have dinner. So yeah. Oh, damn! Everybody has dogs here or what?
Yeah.
Woo! Even though I'm wearing like thin clothes, I'm pretty hot.
I'm rather than let that pink slip. I never been labeled as a trick, but I pay for it if I want it. I'm always high, stuck in the moment. Had a convo with one of my homies. Told me about when y'all first met.
So we went to Elliot's and Dennis had some. Babe, what'd you get?
Bear dye crab legs.
bear dye crab legs. I've never heard of that one, but it's actually pretty good. So we had that, some oysters, Rockefeller oysters, noodle. Anyways, good morning guys. Today is Thursday the 20th. It's officially my birthday and I'm drinking wine. We're drinking wine at what time is it, babe? What? It's like 4 a.m. and we're drinking. Yeah. Look at this guy.
La Marita.
Cherry? Gross. Probably tastes like medicine. What am I gonna eat the noodles with? Is there like utensils here? Shh. Babe. No fork? What? How do I do this? No, I don't want you to start, bitch. Okay. Oh, there is stuff here. This is better than a hotel. It's like a home away from home. Eating my cup of noodle and watching the Titanic. This is bomb. So it's currently 11 a.m. We just got everything out of the place and in the car. I don't know what we're gonna go to right now, but I do want to go get some boiling point. And because it's my birthday, I get to pick one for free.
Fucking bus. Going hella fast.
Whoa, scare me. So we're gonna go get some boiling point. That's like hot pot. Just go straight.
Turn left onto South Dearborn Street,
Yeah.
and turn right onto 5th Avenue South.
Shut up!
Bitch!
So this is the place that I like to go eat at. It's called Boiling Point. We're at our favorite place. See, this is my favorite. So it has crab, clams, squid, mushrooms, and I think quail eggs. So we're just at Party City getting balloons. I'm gonna Dennis bought me some balloons and my brother bought me some balloons. I'm gonna take pictures with it because you know I'm extra like that. So yeah, we're in my brother's car right now and he got me my present. It's YSL. Woo! I like opening boxes, popping boxes over here.
Get this shit out of here.
Dude, you're giving me a headache. Wow.
Check
it out. Hold on. This shit is so pretty.
Shit.
So I just got done getting ready at home. I just touched up on my makeup, throwing some lip gloss, a skirt, and we're gonna go take pictures. So we're leaving the house. We're gonna go meet up my brother at the park and take pictures. Woohoo!
Alright.
Hey guys, so we're just at the park taking pictures with my balloons, and we lost like 2 of them. That sucks.
Hold up, let me record myself. Say what's up.
Chan, you got good angles? I don't know about Chan.
Say what's up. What's up? Chill. Fly. Dougie. I don't know. What do you know how to do? Man, you looking extra fly today. Recording.
Hey man, don't record me.
Part 1, photo shoot.
Picture!
Yeah, I'm the cameraman.
Babe, come on.
Know what I'm saying?
Come on, let's all take pictures together.
How about we record?
3's bad. 3's bad.
You like my haircut? That shit's classic.
Take a picture of me and Dennis.
Nah, I'm good. Take a picture of my hair, you know what I'm saying?
Currently eating some Thai food. see everybody like slaughter that shit. Yeah. Say hi, Ma.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
Say hi, Ma. Ma, say hi. Hi. So we're on the way home. Thanks for dinner, Johnny.
Yeah. Fuck down the trunk.
What the hell?
Say that. I like it.
Bye.
Say bye, Ma. So the 4 popped, and now it's deflating. Hella sad. Dennis flipped it over so I could take a picture of it, and it just made like a sound that the air is coming out. So yeah, it's getting late. I'm about to get ready for bed. Yeah.